Hello friends, I am going to discuss about resins. Introduction of resin. They are transparent or translucent, solid, semi-solids or liquid substances containing large number of carbon atoms. They are hard, electrically non-conductive and combustible masses. They are usually formed in schizogenous or Schizolysigenous cavities or ducts as end products of metabolism. Most of the resins are heavier than water because of specific gravity of the resins is more than 1. They are insoluble in water but soluble in alcohol, volatile oils, fixed oil, chloral hydrates and organic solvents like benzene, ether. The resins produced by most plants is viscous liquid, mainly consist of terpenes with lesser components of non-volatile solids which make resin thick and sticky. In short, resin contains terpenes. The most common terpenes are monocyclic terpenes, bicyclic terpenes and tricyclic sesquiterpenes. Chemically, resins are complex mixtures of resin acids, resin alcohols, resin phenols, esters, and chemically inert compounds known as resins. Resins, upon heating, soften and melt. Resins, when burnt, produce smoky flame. Because of resin contains hydrocarbons or carbon atoms, that's why resin produce smoky flame upon burn. Acid resins, when treated with alkaline solutions, they yield soaps or resin soaps. Majority of resins undergo slow atmospheric oxidation whereby their color gets dark with impaired solubility. What is about classification of resins? Resins classified mainly on the basis of taxonomical classification, on the basis of their formation and on the basis of the chemical constituents. So see, first on the basis of taxonomical classification, first coniferous resin means the plant which comes or which belongs to the family coniferous or comes under order of coniferous. So such a type of resin means these plants contain resin is the main active constituent or secondary metabolites. So these types of the resins are called coniferous resin. Example, colophony, sandrake. Second type, Berberidaceae resin. The plants which belong to this family, these plants contain resin as a secondary metabolite or main chemical compounds. Example, podophyllum. Then Zygophyllaceae resin. Zygophyllaceae resin means the resin that obtained from the plants of Zygophyllaceae family. Example, guaiacum. Another type of classification on the basis of their formation. Mainly two types of resins are involved: physiological resin and pathological resins. Physiological resins, its name indicate that the resins are synthesized normally as a normal product of metabolism without making injury to the plants. Example of physiological resins, any example other than the pathological resin. Okay. Then see, pathological resin means the resin obtained against wound or the injury. Means when we made incision over the stem or over any part of plants, okay, against the injury or the wound, the latex comes out or oozing out. Okay, so such a type of resin is called pathological resin. Okay, example colophony, benzoin, balsams, aloe resin. So all these different types of the resins obtained through wound or through cuts or the injury which is made over the parts of the plant. Then third type of the classification of resin on the basis of the chemical constituents. So see, first chemical groups means on the basis of the chemical groups which is present in the active constituents of the resin. So on the basis of that the type is to be decided. First, resin acids. This means the resin that contains acid. Active constituent is acidic in nature. For example, colophony. Colophony that contains abatic acid is the main or chief active constituents. So that's why that colophony plays here in the class of resin acids. Another example, myrrh, sandrach, guaiacum. So these are the different examples of resin containing crude drugs in the class of resin acids because they contain acidic active constituents. Then second type, resin esters. Example, benzoin, dragon's blood. Benzoin that contains esters of benzoic acid, cinnamic acid. Then resin alcohol. Example, storax, benzoin again. Then resin phenols. Example, balsam of Tolu, balsam of Peru. Then glucoresin, jalap. So here linkage between glycon and aglycon moiety or the not glycon or aglycon moiety but the resin that connected with the sugar molecule through glycosidic linkage. Okay, so such a type of the resin is called glucoresin, means the link or the combination of glucose plus resin. Example, jalap. Then resins, so that is the inert substance or inert type of resin. Mixed composition and resins for both. Example, Asafoetida, shellac. Then on the basis of occurrence with other secondary metabolites, resins that found in combination form with other secondary metabolites. Resin with gum or essential oils. First, gum resins. Gum that combine with resin. Example, Ammonium gamboge. So good example, acacia. Acacia that contains resin and gum. Then oleoresin. Oleo means volatile oil or essential oil and resin. Means combination of essential oil and resin. Example, turpentine, copaiba, ginger, Canada resin. Then third type of resin, oleogum resin. Oleo means volatile oil, gum and resin. These three components are combined to each other, means naturally they occur in the plant. Example, myrrh, Asafoetida, olibanum. Then third, balsam. Balsam that contains the mixture of cinnamic acid and benzoic acids or the esters of cinnamic acid and the benzoic acid. Okay. Example, Tolu balsam, Peru balsam. Methods of extraction. So there are different methods which are used for the isolation or the extraction of the resins from the plant material. First method, extraction by using solvent. Second method, extraction by distillation. So see a diagram or the picture, so indicating that these different methods are used. In first method, solvent, different types of the solvent. Non-polar solvents are generally used for the extraction of these resins from the different parts of the plant. Then extraction by distillation. So see second diagram or second picture means of distillation assembly. So that is used for the extraction of the resin, because here we can separate out volatile oil, even gum, okay, and the resin from each other using this distillation method, or the even we can separate out the components of the volatile oil using fractional distillation method. Then third method, extraction by making incision. So see here incision made by sharp knife over the wood or over the stem part of the plant, and simply oozing out. This latex or the whitish or the milky juice comes out from the plant parts, so collected in a vessel. Okay, then extraction by heating the plant part containing resin. So see in 4 number of diagram or the picture. So heat that provided to the part of the plant, example pine. Okay, resin that obtained from pine wood or the pine plant directly by heating the plant part, means the wood part of the plant. Okay, then extraction of resin from encrustations. So here just scrape out the resin from that material. So these are the different methods of extraction of resin from natural sources, mainly from plant, but some few exceptional example shellac, lac, etc. Isolation of resin. So see here the different examples are given how the resins are to be isolated or obtained from the different parts of the plants or different crude drugs. So see first, by extracting the drug with alcohol, means here solvent, common solvent alcohol that used for the extraction purpose, and precipitating resin present in concentrated extract by adding of large proportion of water. So in short here precipitation or PPT of resin that separate out. Okay, just after dissolving that resin in a alcohol and then adding water, so the PPT is to be formed and then that PPT is to be separate out. Example jalap, ipomia, podophyllum. Another example by distillation for separation of oils, example copaiba, colophony. Then by heating the plant parts, guaiacum, as plant exudates by making incision, example myrrh, Asafoetida, balsams. Then by collecting fossil resins, example copal. By processing the incrustations, example shellac. In some exceptionally rare instances, the resin occurs as a result of the sucking the juice of the plants by scale insects and converting the sucked juice into the resinous substances that ultimately cover the insect itself and twigs of the plant. Example Laccifer laca, means from the lac insects, okay, from their cocoon or the comb. So resin that to be isolated, okay, means source for resin, lac, that is animal source, or the shellac is also animal source. So both are the exceptional example. Otherwise most of the resin they are obtained from the plants through different methods. Pharmaceutical applications. So there are different pharmaceutical applications of resins. First, resins are locally irritant and hence act as local cathartics. Example jalap and ipomia. So cathartic action is to be produces, means remove fecal matter, okay, from the alimentary tract or from the bowel. So okay, the after applying of that resins or an affected part of body or on mucous membrane, so there may be irritation that produces, so peristaltic movement that may increases and wash out the alimentary tract or the GIT. As anti-cancer, Podophyllum peltatum and Podophyllum hexandrum. So these are two different species are used as a source of resin. Resin of these two species shows anti-cancer property. Used in ovarian cancer or against testes or some other different types of the cancers, breast cancers. So Podophyllum is used. Then in bronchial asthma, example cannabis. Cannabis is the source of many medicines. Still they are using to treat or to cure bronchial asthma, then to suppress cough, even to misuse as a expectorant, etc. by acting on CNS. Use externally as mild antiseptic in the form of tinctures. Example benzoin. Benzoin that contains salicylic acid or benzoic acid. Benzoin naturally used as antiseptic. So because of these different constituents, even the esters of salicylic acid or benzoic acids are found in the benzoin. Benzoin used in the form of ointment, then plasters. Okay, then turpentine and colophony. Colophony have no any pharmacological value, but colophony use in electrical appliances or use for the fixation of the graphs. Okay, in pharmacology lab. Then turpentine that use to stop the microorganism growth over the crops, or even used for sanitization purpose. Then used in the preparation of emulsion and sustained release formulations. Acacia gum and many other resins, they are used as a emulsifying agent or the suspending agent or dispersing agent in different formulations like emulsion, even suspension, and used in novel drug delivery system. Thank you one and all.